This video guide demonstrates the WebOS commercial television cloning process. In this cloning process demonstration, we will use the Learn from TV option and create a TLX file that can be used to program models in the same series. We will begin this process with the power on and insert a USB flash drive into the USB port on the rear of the unit to be cloned. Locate the side USB port on the rear of the unit and insert the flash drive. Next, press the Settings button on the remote control provided with the unit. When the Quick Settings menu appears, use the down arrow navigation button and select the General Settings icon. Once the General Settings icon is highlighted, press the OK button on the remote control to enter the TV Manager Settings menu. When the menu appears, press the numbers 9, 8, 7, 6 in that sequence on the remote control. The Learn from TV option will appear at the bottom of the USB download menu list. Now we will use the down arrow on the remote control to navigate to the Learn from TV option in the list and then press OK. If more than one memory device is installed, you must select the device you wish to store the clone file on. Otherwise, select the default file name or edit the file name to the one you wish to use. Next, navigate to the OK button below the file name and press the OK button again. The television options previously set will be copied to the flash drive in a TLX file format. Once the file has been written to the flash drive, navigate to the OK button to the right as shown and press the OK button on the remote control. When the process has completed, you may remove the flash drive from the rear of the unit and use it to program additional sets using the Teach to TV with TLX file process. In this section of the video guide, the instructions to teach the TLX clone file to the TV will be demonstrated. We will need to start the Teach to TV process by turning the television on. We will then insert the USB flash drive with the TLX clone file into the USB port on the rear of the television. Next, press the Settings button on the remote control to continue. Using the remote control, select the arrow buttons on the remote and navigate to the General Settings icon and then press OK button on the remote. When the TV Manager appears on screen, use the arrows to navigate to the Teach to TV TLX option at the bottom of the USB download options list. Next, press OK to continue. Select the memory device with a TLX clone file if more than one USB flash drive is inserted into the set. Afterwards, select the TLX clone file to be loaded into the television and navigate to the Update icon. Press the OK button on the remote to begin the teaching process. After the update has completed, you may then remove the USB drive from the unit. The unit will return to the new settings programmed through the clone TLX file. Thank you for watching the WebOS Cloning Guide video.